Through a combination of hands-on practice, personalized feedback, and expert instruction, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your speaking abilities in just a few sessions. Whether you want to improve your presentation skills, advance your career, or become a more confident communicator, our speaking course has everything you need to achieve your goals. Sign up today and unlock your full speaking potential with a Toastmasters award-winning speaker.
Right. And the link you can see is at the bottom of your page. Thank you, Tony. I appreciate all of you. Yes, I am not here to play. And yes, I'm taking it to heights all the time. Yes, this is where I want to go. And at this level, a lot of the trolls have been lost way before here. These sort of things don't invite anybody to insult. And if you insult, you will look stupid and everybody will know you are a fool. The rest of the people who are watching, don't encourage and entertain your foolishness. You write the stupid comments, nobody will respond. I saw somebody who wrote a comment last week. Not even one person have commented. Then they came back and wrote more nonsense. Not a single one of you bothered to even respond. And I was so proud of you. This person wrote the third comment, realized nobody was going to respond. And they are gone. They won't come back to the platform again because this is not the place for them. These people thrive on negativity. They feed off it. And yes, they count on it. And so when they came to the page, they were waiting for all of you to jump in and insult me. And because the rest of you did not jump in and insult me and did not encourage their foolishness, they take it elsewhere. Yeah. When you come to a page and we are discussing champion communicators, you will not stay if you are from a particular group. You will not. You will not be comfortable if you belong to a particular domain. You will not. Does that mean that champion communicators and topics like that are going to have a lot of views? No, they are not. But I will easily find the 5-10 people who need to improve their speaking as part of their professional needs. Some of you have been told by your workplaces that you need to work on it. Some of you know because of where you want to go next in your career. Some of you just know personally that the way you speak could be improved. Those of you who understand growth, yes, those people have no sense of decorum, and those people don't belong where I am. Really, they don't. It's not a disrespect. It's just some of the facts of life. I don't condone it. I don't welcome it. There's no place for it. So it dies a natural death. Maybe Adela. Thank you. Thank you. I'm grateful to you, Adela. Maybe Adela is listening to me and Adela is like, I'm a Manson. Again, does Amma Manson know what I'm talking about? I think those of you who've been here a minute know that I know what I'm talking about. Why? Because you've watched me. You've watched me compete. And when I put my accolades here, I put my accolades here for you to see. Do I win competitions? Hell yes, I do. Yes. And yes, Toastmasters International, you will see this anywhere. This is the latest round. Yeah. I am actually the defending champion. I was the overall champion in 6 countries in DTAC here. And yeah, I'm going back to DTAC, semi-final and final in May to defend my title. I haven't just won the table topics 1 year. I have won it 1 year and I have taken it all the way back to DTAC, defending my champion, my title.